In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Then look for Autorotate shortcut, which is this one, and once you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine turned blue. That means that autorotation is on, but you can always switch it off by clicking on the same shortcut until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!